immediately you get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it's YouTube that is going to send you a message that congratulations, you've reached the threshold. It's not you going to apply anything. It's not that difficult. So you go by it. The only thing is let them accept you and accept what you put out there. That's your channel. Then it prepares you towards that. Okay, so I'll go through with all this with you so that you get a fair idea when it gets to your turn. Okay, it's not all that difficult, it's a step-by-step process. So you have to go by what YouTube will ask you, then bring it. And before even you would do that, let me just advise that keep your YouTube account very safe. Make sure it doesn't have any copyright. Just make sure and pray over it. Okay, everything will be fine. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hi guys, I hope you are fine. I hope you are doing well. Thank you all for support, everybody. I appreciate you all. Thank you for coming back to watch me again. And now I'm bringing you a monetization process. I hope this helps. Please watch it to the end of the video so that you get insight for when you're about to apply your monetization, or when you are in your monetization process and you don't know what to do. Okay, these are the eligibility requirements you need to start monetizing your channel. Okay, you need to meet specific criteria, and these are some of the criteria. That is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Yes, which most of us are aware, and if you are not aware, I'm telling you, you have to get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, this demonstrates that you have a loyal audience, and this is what YouTube has accepted. So you have to get that 1,000 subscribers, and also you need 4,000 watch hours. You need at least 4,000 valid public watch hours over the last 12 months. Okay, this means your video should be watched for a total of 4,000 hours by viewers. Yeah, YouTube monetization involves several key steps to follow, but before you do that, please, I will advise that make sure your YouTube is in a good state. Make sure there is no copyright. Make sure your YouTube is just your own content that you think it can cause problem. You just put them in private or you delete them, then you work towards it. Okay, also try to comply with YouTube policies and guidelines. Okay, that is their main thing. When you reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you are not going to do anything. It's YouTube that will send you a message. They will send you a congratulation message through your email, the email that you give, and also you will see this the YouTube studio. So you wouldn't apply for anything. Immediately you get to 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, definitely they are going to send you an email, or you will see it at your dashboard. But before you even apply this, please check that your country that you used for your YouTube is it's accepted by YouTube, because we have some countries YouTube will not accept them, countries like Ukraine and Russia. Make sure your country is part of those that can be part of YouTube. Okay, they sent you that message, or when they email you that, okay, it's after congratulating you. Okay, they will send you some security checks. That's for your identity. Then that they will take your name, address, and ID. I use a driving license ID, so you use any ID. And if they don't like the ID, they're gonna tell you, they will approve it, and it will be in a process. They will approve it to them. From there, you go ahead to apply. To a link to apply for the YouTube partnership program. So I have few things I've jotted here, which I will go through with you so that you know what you will go by. Okay, so you will apply. That is once you meet the criteria, just go to the YouTube studio. Okay, navigate the monetization section and apply. Once you apply for this, okay, they will send you a message that you are in a review process. They will review your channel, that if the channel is for you, if this is the real content, or like they want to know that you are complying with their guidelines. Okay, so this takes a few weeks, not some even takes days. Okay, they will send you a message that you are in a review state. They will review your channel to ensure it meets all the guidelines and policies. This review focuses on content quality. Yes, it focuses on content quality and adhere community standards. Yeah, so from there they will tell you, okay, they will give you notification, okay, it was approved or it wasn't approved, but you can still reapply if you think your content doesn't have any issue. Okay, notification will be sent to you whether your application was approved or denied. If denial, you can reapply after addressing any issue. If you think your channel don't have any problem, so after addressing that issue, you can reapply. Okay, you can reapply if they don't give that to you. So your channel needs to be approved by YouTube. Okay, after evaluation, phone here that I will go through with you, then I'll be watching it so that I don't even make mistake. I'll give you the exact thing they will do. So you just follow the step in the left menu. Okay, you click on monetization. You will see an option to apply for the YouTube partnership program. Okay, follow the prompt which will guide you through linking your AdSense account and agreeing to their terms and condition. Okay, that will guide you to link your AdSense account, which through the AdSense account, your pin, AdSense pin will be sent to you, which sometimes it depends on the country you are. It takes about few weeks to come, then you put that pin in it, then you start earning from ads. Okay, make sure your AdSense account is linked to your YouTube channel for ads revenue. Okay, so you link your channel. From there, you set payment preferences, that is complete any necessary setup in your AdSense account to ensure you receive payment correctly. So you go through, they will give you, do this, link this, if you want this, go this. You just need to go by what YouTube is saying. Okay, you just follow what they will ask you to do. Okay, so you link the account, you set payment preferences, then you start your content creation. But don't forget, before that, you need to get a foreign account. Okay, you need to get a foreign account because Africa, we don't have foreign accounts, so you have to create one. And you can also earn revenue from, apart from the ads you get, that is channel membership. Okay, you can also earn from there. It offers exclusive perks to subscribers who pay a monthly fee. Yeah, you have to join that membership, which you will set it up if you are being monetized and if they have approved you. You can also apply for super chats and super stickers. Okay, promote your own merchandise. Okay, we have merchandise here, but with a super sticker during live stream, that's where you can use it. Viewers can pay or gift you through that. Okay, merchandise shelf, it's if eligible, promote your own merchandise. You promote your own thing also there. And you can also have sponsored content, that's partner with brands to create sponsored videos, providing additional income. So this is when you want, we have some people, they don't like all this, but if you want, you apply for which they are not going to force you with a super chat and other stuff. Okay, you apply for it. So after getting all this, it's just like apply. These steps you will go through to get monetized. I hope this is going to help you. It's going to help someone over there who is about to be monetized. I hope it helps. Okay, I'm hoping and hopes it helps as well. Thank you so much for having time to listen to me. God bless you so much, and until we meet again, I will say bye bye for now.